So hello guys, hope you are doing well. Myself Rupam Panda and I am your physics guide. Today we will learn about the electric potential energy that is mentioned in the board. So before going to the lesson, we will be warming up to the previous knowledges about the electric potential. So we know what is electric potential, right? So electric potential is basically the work done needed to bring a single unit charge to any point of an inside electric field from infinity or infinite distance. That is a potential of a single charge in a single point of an inside an electric field. So now we are talking about the electric potential energy. So what is electric potential energy? If you consider an electric system or a system of charges or a single charge system, the total amount required to bring a point charge from infinity to that particular point which we are talking about, that is the potential energy of that system in this particular point. So we have to take one example, like we are taking an one charge system. Like if you are taking one charge like point charge q1, so if we are talking about the potential energy for this charge in a particular point inside the electric field which is created by this q1 charge, there is electric field which is covered by this q1 charge. Okay, so if we are talking about a point here, like it is in a distance r from the q1 charge. Just assume there is a point inside the electric field of q1 and the distance from q1 of that point is r. So we have to now calculate the potential of this particular point. So what is the formula of potential? The formula of potential is, we know, V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. So here, what is the charge here? The charge is q1. So we will be writing here q1, right? So this is the potential of that point. Let us take that point as point A. So this is the potential of point A. So I am writing, instead of V, I am writing VA. So this is the potential of point A due to q1 charge. Now, if we are talking about potential energy, so we have to bring another charge to that particular point to calculate the potential energy of this point, right? So I am now just placing one charge. Let the charge is q2 here. Okay, the charge is q2 here. Now, can you tell me what is the work done needed to bring this charge from infinity to that particular point A? Now, we know that the work done W is equal to V into Q. That comes from the definition of potential energy. That the definition is, if the unit charge, if an unit charge is coming from infinity to that particular point, the total work done is W, and that is the potential of this point. Since if we take Q as 1, so W will be V. That's why the work done is the potential for unit charge. Now, if we consider for this particular example, here what is V? Here V is VA, because we are talking about a point. And what is the charge? Here the charge is Q2, because we are bringing charge Q2 inside the electric field of Q1. That is the point. Many of the students done the mistake, like they just confuse between Q1 and Q2. But you have to clear about that the electric field is due to Q1, but you are bringing the charge Q2. So to bring the charge Q2, the work done will be W equal to VA into Q2. Here you have to write Q2 instead of Q1, because Q1 is responsible for the electric field. Now, by placing the values, what is the value of VA? It is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R. And we are just multiplying whole thing with Q2. So what will be the W here? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r. So this is the work done needed to bring the charge q2, and that's called the potential energy, electric potential energy, and we defined it as U, capital U. In physics, we define various of the most of the potential energy as Q, right? So that's why we are replacing W by Q. The same thing, since you are the potential energy is a form of work done. So when you are doing a work, that means there is a potential energy of that point is stored already. So you are just output is the output of this of that potential energy. So this is the formula of potential energy, electric potential energy for a particular point.